Hello and welcome everyone. So, Python converts your code into bytecode, but here is the real question. How does that bytecode actually runs? Not conceptually, I mean step by step inside Python. In the last video, we understood bytecode. Now let's see one level deeper and let's see how Python actually executes your code. So let's take a simple example. You have this Python code where you have three statements: a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, and then c equal to a plus b. This code gets converted into bytecode, but Python doesn't run all of it at once. It executes it instruction by instruction. So for example, first it will go to the first instruction, then it will go through the second instruction, then it will execute the third instruction. Inside Python, the execution happens using something called as execution frames. So what are these execution frames? Think of it as a container that keeps track of variables, function calls, current line of execution. Each time your code runs, Python creates a frame and executes instructions inside it. So here is the real answer. The Python virtual machine reads the bytecode like this. It takes one instruction, executes it, moves to the next one, and then repeat. It's essentially a loop that processes bytecode step by step. That's the real job of the Python virtual machine, or we can call it as PVM. Now this explains a lot of things. Why Python feels slower, why debugging works line by line, and why stack trace exists. Because execution is happening step by step, not all at once. So instead of thinking Python just runs my code, think Python read instructions one by one and executes them inside a managed environment. And now you understand the real execution model of the Python. With this, we come to the end of this video. If you really like this video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, you can hit the like button, you can comment anything you want to comment in the comment box. Also, if you have any sort of suggestions or you want to get in touch with us, you can email us at the given email ID. Thank you so much for watching this one. We will meet you in the next one.